Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I wanna share tutorial how to use voice effect on CapCut. First, open the CapCut. Please make sure that you have already installed the latest CapCut apps. Okay, and now export the video. And now we are ready to add the effect. So just click the video and swipe left until you found voice effect feature in here. In here, this one, and then so just click. In here you can see many options and you can choose the voice effect that you like. This is the original song. Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share tutorial how to use. Okay. And now I want to try the voice effect. This one.
Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I want to share tutorial how to use glowing lights effect on CapCut.
You can choose the voice effect that you like.
First, open the Cap.
You can see many options in here. This is
Hello
the
guys,
sound.
welcome back to Tutorial Millennial. Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial
Funny
channel.
in
Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this
Okay.
video, I want to share tutorial.
Hello guys, welcome.
Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial. Hello guys, welcome back.
Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I
Okay,
want to share
if
tutorial how to use glowing.
if you already choose a voice effect, and then click check icon at the bottom in here. Okay, now the voice your video has been edited using the voice effect feature. Simple, right? Okay guys, that's the step how to use a voice effect on CapCut. I hope you like this video and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy editing guys, bye bye.